Okay, so if you are stuck on question 14, this is where you should be. Make sure you're following along with me. Don't just watch me do this entire problem and then go back and try to do it. Instead, you should be taking notes, pausing the video, doing what I'm doing as I'm doing it. So question 14 says an expression is given, which we can see. Which expression is equivalent to the given expression? So we want to find an expression that's equal to what we have here. Now, the good news is this is 100% a Desmos problem. So open your calculator here in the top right, and then type in this expression exactly how it is. Pause the video and start it again once you're done. Okay, so I have a blue graph, and it kind of looks like a U shape. This is a parabola. Now, what we're going to do is put in options A through D into Desmos until we find the graph that matches this perfectly. So I'm going to put in A first, 36x minus 56. Well, I can see that these two don't overlap perfectly. I know A is not my answer. Now let's do option B, 10x squared minus 56. Pause the video until you have this in Desmos. Now you can see that these two graphs are close to overlapping, but they're not right on top of each other, so they can't be equivalent. Pause the video and put in option C. And let's see what we get. So I can't even tell that I have two graphs here because they overlap perfectly, which is what I'm looking for. This is what I want. So I'm going to select C, but I'm also going to put in option D just to make sure that C is the right answer. So I had 10x squared minus 54x plus 56. Those two don't overlap perfectly. So C is my answer because C overlapped perfectly with the expression that was given to me.